Hi guys, Dad Gardener here, Jace Bowen. Welcome to episode 40, and today on today's show we're just going to, I'm going to show you what to do with some lawn clippings. Now I've just weeded around these petunias by hand and got some fresh lawn clippings here. Now you don't put them too close to the base, just away around the grass. Like that, like so. It'll die off and give your plant plenty of nutrients, just like so, like that, and that's perfect. Okay, so that's a great little tip, just a small little video today. It's a great little tip, easy to keep the weeds away from your shrubs in your garden. And yeah, okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for some more free gardening tips and advice. It's all free. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you. Dad Gardener here, Jace Bowen. Welcome to episode 40. Today I'm going to show you a great little tip on mulching with grass clippings and doing a little bit of weeding. So let's go. This petunia edge here, and just weed right around it. Hello my friend. How are you, buddy? This is very interesting. Really, I start filming and really, thanks Amp. Okay, as you can see, weeded around this. Get out of it. I've weeded around this, and maybe you shouldn't work with animals. I've weeded around this, and really. Okay, come on, jump out of the way, good boy. Okay, so I've weeded around this. Get out of the way, you mung! Okay, so I've weeded around this, and I'll just got some grass clippings here. I don't put them too close to the base, but just enough to stop the other grass growing around it. Okay, so that's what we should end up with, and the grass will die around it, and it's perfect mulch for your Vitinia. Okay, that was a very trying little episode. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more free gardening tips and advice. Thank you.